Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is the start of fall, which is one of my favorite seasons. It's summer, fall, spring, and then winter. That's how I like my seasons. I was feeling very festive this weekend, so I'm going to go with Jose to the pumpkin patch. So I'm going to take you guys with me. It's going to be a lot of fun. We made it. It is so nice here. I love this area. These are the bottomos. Ooh, apple cider donuts. This barn is so dang cool. They have fresh goat cheese, cream cheese, bagels, a whole bunch of bread. They also have fruits here. Jose and I are gonna start coming here more often and grabbing like our fruits and veggies here. Hello guys, so we just got back from the farm and I wanted to do a little haul of all the stuff we picked up. As you can see, the cats are also so curious. Jose wanted some brown butter sourdough chocolate chip cookies, organic cookies. They are really good. I did love these. I picked up some bagels. These are homemade plain sourdough bagels, all organic. I'm so excited to try these. It came in a pack of 4. And then my favorite of all, some fresh cream cheese, farm-raised cream cheese. I'm gonna have a bagel tomorrow for breakfast. Right now, I'm just gonna clean up my space. You guys saw I picked up a mini pumpkin and like a medium-sized one, and I'm just gonna relax and kind of reset today. I need to clean up my space, so I'm gonna be doing that. But I'm happy you guys came along with me to the farm. It was so dang cute. I recommend that you stop by a little farm and a pumpkin patch this season. Hello guys, we're back out, and this time we're going to the movies. We're going to our favorite movie theater ever, and we're going to be watching Good Boy. One thing about me and Jose is we love to watch scary movies, and look how cool this movie theater is. Good morning guys. I currently cleaned up my space and I was gonna have some bagels for breakfast, but unfortunately they have a little bit of mold. I didn't see that at the farm yesterday, so they were perfect yesterday. Pretty bummed about this. I was so excited to have one this morning, but we're gonna go get bagels now just so I can try the cream cheese, and they did not have no mold, so it happened overnight. So we're at Publix right now, going to grab some bagels so we can enjoy the cream cheese that I got at the farm. Of course, Publix is festive too. Hello, good morning everybody. I'm here with my sister and my mom. We're picking up my grandma. We're going thrifting now at a new thrift store. It's called American Thrift. So we're all going today together to see how it is. So excited. I've never been to this thrift store before, and Sam has never been thrifting with us. So this is a really monumental day.
Hi, Mom. Exciting.
You guys, we made it! Oh, this eats. Okay guys, so we made it to the thrift store. It's really quick, kind of reminds me of the red, white, and blue, which I do love that thrift store, but it's cash only. I don't think this one is cash only. Right now I'm looking for the intimates because you guys already know I'm looking for Victoria's Secret. So, just see. I'm gonna see if we find some Victoria's Secret.
So some Lulu.
And then, oh yeah, and some Lulu. But I'm mainly looking for Victoria's Secret. So let's see if we find any. I'm on the hunt for Victoria's Secret, so let's see if we find any. Okay, so I found one Victoria's Secret little moment. It's super cute, like a little cover up. Let's see the year. This is the tag on it. And the year is, drumroll please, 2018. Kind of modern. Well, very modern. Let's see if we can find something else. But happy that at least we found something. That's a good sign. Okay guys, we found one. This one's from 2000s for sure because of the pink tag. Let's flip her over. Let's see what it is. Year is, drumroll please, 1999. Yes, it's a really good piece.
It's 25 years old.
It is 26. Oh,
I'm old. You're old. Ah.
I'm old. So we're at the bags now. And this bag kind of called my attention. It was really pretty. I'm kind of picky with bags though, but that one's pretty cool. We found this bag. This one's really cute. It's like a cute everyday bag. I like that it's kind of scruffy because maybe I can just like wear it for every day and I don't really care if it gets messed up, but this is really nice. Let's see how much it is. The prices here are not that bad. Is that a 1? Wait, is this $1.99? Wait, are you guys kidding me? Is this only $2? I think it is.
Oh, give me some of that right now. Mine. What size are they?
What size are they?
A 30? 36 is my size.
Get this dress that Sam is obsessed with. She was looking at the wigs and then she just so happened to stumble upon the dress. It's really pretty. My sister never thrifts, but she found these Zara jeans. Open them up, but they're really cute. Guys, I'm kind of bummed because I saw that this has a bit of a little rip. I think my grandma could fix it, but that's just the ups and downs of thrifting. Sometimes you find things that are hits, but they can have their little flaws. I think that this can be fixed. I found a Victoria's Secret robe. It's pretty cool. I love cheetah print. Yeah, 2018 or 2015. Let's see. Let's find out. Maybe 2015 now that I think about it. Or 2012. Oh no, 2012. Let's see. Ready? 2011. Yeah.
Hey.
It's okay. I'm more of a dress girly. I found this belt. I feel like this belt is really cute to match stuff. I'm very much a cheetah print girly. It's only $1.99. I think I might get this. So the belt doesn't really fit me and I don't know, like it's kind of like a little broken, so I think I'm gonna leave it. Let's see what else we can find though.
Yes. Sorry, bird.
Okay, what else?
A couple things in there.
This coat is pretty cool, but it's so expensive. $29 is really expensive. The coat, I just feel like it's not worth $30, but it's still really pretty, but I don't know. Guys, I think this belongs to someone, but it's really cute. It's only $4. These New Balances are kind of cool. Look at these wedges. They're super cute. Only $3. These Anne Merino wedges that are also really fit and cute. These as well. They're only $5. These are kind of a steal. They're only $5 and Klein. I found this little extra small urban top. I think it's so cute to take. I found this slip that's really pretty. It's not Victoria's Secret, but it's just really gorgeous. And then I found this rare old 80s Victoria's Secret robe. I thought it was really cool, but I don't take robes, so we're gonna leave her, but still great finds. You guys, you're not gonna believe what we just found. Look at this. Victoria's Secret 100% silk new with tags piece. It is a size large, unfortunately, because I would have wanted to keep it. But let's see what year it is. Oh my gosh, it's from the year 2000. I don't like the price, but it's definitely worth it. So
you're gonna have to get it. Hey, sicko.
Yeah, sicko. Bag secured. I'm so happy. I really did like American Thrift. I feel like the prices were a little bit expensive depending on what brand and the quality of the clothing. Okay guys, so I was able to finally try the bagels and I love them. Well, the cream cheese with the bagels. I loved the cream cheese. It was very creamy, but not as creamy as like regular whipped cream cheese. It did have a different taste and definitely like a different look and texture to it. It kind of reminded me a bit of like a thick butter. I did like it though. If you guys ever want to try like organic cream cheese, I recommend you do so. I want to do a quick haul of all the things that I got yesterday when I went thrifting. My mom, sister, and grandma and I all had like a girls' day. It was a lot of fun. We went thrifting. My sister got me this, actually not thrifting, from Five Below. It's so cute. It's like a little cat skeleton. I'm gonna throw it on my chair. I'll show you guys how it looks now. It's so cute. But I just want to do a quick haul of the stuff I did take home. So I purchased this $19.99 little slip. It does have a flaw. I'm gonna ask my grandma to fix it for me. The size is a small, so it's a really good size. I think that, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one or maybe sell it. It's got a lot of pilling, but I feel like it has so much potential. But I love this piece so much. Again, it's a 99 piece, so super rare. And then I found this amazing 2000s piece. It's a size large. I don't know if it's gonna fit me. I really want to keep this one. It's like so gorgeous. But look at this gold color. This is how the back looks like. It has like a little tie. New with tags. Like, this is crazy. I'll show you guys the tag here. It's 100% silk, which is a really rare find. And if you flip this tag over, you guys will see the year is from 2000 and the month is September of 2000. I literally hope that one day I find a piece like that in my size, because wow, like what a piece. Now I'm gonna show you guys the pillow on the chair. You guys tell me how it looks like. I think we're decorating so perfectly for fall. Okay, so here's how it looks like. I feel like I desperately need a new chair. I don't know if you guys can see, my cats have been tearing it up. You guys cannot tell me that this material is not the same as this material. Like, it makes absolutely zero sense to me to get mad at them because it's the same thing. I think I'm also gonna cut this tag because it's so bulky. It looks so bad. But yeah, guys, that was pretty much a little week in my life. This week is very chill for me. I did a lot of my work already, so I'm able to kind of just relax. I want to clean my space, and like I said in my previous videos, I want to remodel my space. I don't know if I'm gonna do it this month. I could do it, it's just planning what I'm doing. So I'm gonna give you guys kind of like a quick little synopsis. I plan on getting a couch cover for the couch. I plan on maybe getting a new chair. This chair makes me so sad because it's not the cat's fault for like scratching it, because it literally feels like a scratching post. So like I can't get mad, not that I get mad at them, but like I can't be so bummed about it because it's literally the material that they use to scratch their nails, so it makes no sense to like be bummed out. So I think I'm just gonna get a new chair that kind of resembles these vibes, but is something they're not gonna scratch up. And if they are scratching it up, I'm gonna be so mad at them. So I kind of have to like pinpoint what materials they don't scratch. I feel like they really don't scratch my couch, and my couch is like a faux leather material. I don't know, I hate my couch so much. It was a hand-me-down. I just said yes to it because I really didn't want to get like a new couch, since this space is like very temporary for Jose and I. So I didn't want to like splurge too much on things. Look at this guy. Who does he think he is? Look at him living his best life. He's so silly. He's a silly boy. And then I have the cat's tower over here. I have their litter box there. And I don't think I'm gonna change anything of the tower. I think this is actually the best tower I've ever had, and it's the Costco cat tower. I'm obsessed with it. I love it so much. I'm not gonna change anything here, I don't think. I think my living room is pretty set in stone. It's mainly the bedroom that I want to fix, which I would show you guys how the bedroom looks right now, but it's a mess. I'm gonna actually clean up my space right now. I don't think I'm gonna vlog that. I think I'm just gonna like chill and actually edit this vlog so it can go up really fast. Watch some Gilmore Girls. I have been watching it lately and I've been obsessed with it. It's such a good show. If you guys like very good feel-good girly shows, if you like Sex and the City, I think you'll like Gilmore Girls. It's a lot more muted, obviously, but it still has girl references like girly girl, friendship, love, mother-daughter references, which is really cute. So if you love all that, you would love Gilmore Girls. I'm gonna jump off though and enjoy the rest of the day. I hope you guys love this vlog. I do plan on doing more of these, so stay tuned. You guys will truly love them. Like, comment, and subscribe. Comment if fall is your favorite season. I'm so curious what you do for fall. I'll see you guys in the next video. My camera's about to die, but thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.